guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm doing my Boxycharm for January 2021, sorry. Now I know it's actually on time, so I'm happy about this. Let's get on to this. This month's theme is Fresh Start, which works really well for January. So fresh start for the year, hopefully a fresh start for a good year. I hope I don't jinx us. So our first item is the Velvet palette from Ciate London. This is a very shimmery palette, and this pan up here, it fell out when I was trying to open it, so that's not very good. But overall, pretty shades, and I'll try this on at the end. The next item is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This helps restore and replenish moisture. And it is really hard to get out of the packaging. Am I taking it the wrong way? Probably. See how the other way works. Very easy the other way, so I must have been taking it the wrong way. But it's just this little white tube, squeezy tube. Really nice. I'll be trying that some other time. Our third item is the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles Reset Mist, Quartz Infused Lavender Body and Linen Spray. It has these little glass beads inside to shake up, and it smells really lovely. I'm a big fan of lavender. It's one of my signature scents actually, so I will definitely be using this. Fourth item is the Queen Dragon Duo Eyeliner Set. It has a pencil liner and a liquid liner, which I will be trying at the end of the video. Our final item is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is something that I've actually been wanting for a little while, so yay. If I can get it open, Boxycharm products, please open easier. But it's just the Daily Greens Moisturizer. Really nice. Okay, I don't want to open this yet. But it has a nice, it's green, has a really smooth, it has a really smooth texture. Almost like a water cream, and it smells amazing. So for the prices, the Ciate London palette was $30. The Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Moisturizer was $38. The Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist, which I really love the scent of, is $36. The Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Triple Peptide Cream is $82, and the Queen Dragon Duo is $28. So let's get on to the try-on portion of this video. So the Ciate Velvet palette is a nice one. As I said, this one shadow right here fell and broke, but that's okay. So I'm going to be using my wand brushes today. They're just nondescript wand brushes in general. So, can't really hold up like I usually do, but I'm going to take this light peach shade and just gently go over my lid. Okay, I'm going to take this slightly more, this little, I'm gonna take this slightly darker shade right here and put it over the center of my lid, I believe. Still trying to figure this out. About the center to outer corner area. Okay. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this dark brown shade right in the middle. It's going to go to the outer corner. Okay, just blend it in. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this bronzy color right next to the broken one. And just put it over the center of my lid. Okay. And I'm going to go in for this pearly shade right here. Put it towards my inner corner. Then I'm going to go for more of a goldy bronze in the center with my fine brush. And I'm just going to put it right underneath. And I'm just going to do a little bit more blending because a little too much blending never hurt anyone. Or a little blending never really hurt too much unless you're blending with an actual blender. That's the eyeshadow look. Now let's move on to the eyeliner, which I will be trying the liquid one. I will be trying the liquid liner because I'm not a big fan of pencils. Might pass on someone else. I'm going to be using this again. The mirror. I'm going to be using the mirror from the palette again. Let's see how is this? Oh. It is a felt tip, which I generally prefer. Easy to apply, not much of a smell. Tempting a wing. Okay, eyeliner is done. It's a little runny, so be aware of that. It was a little hard to get even on my opposite side, but other than that, it's a pretty decent liner, one I will most likely use again. And that's the finished look for the Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys all had a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!